Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for June 28th, 2013. It's another muggy day out there with temperatures already this morning in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior and lower to mid 70s in the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Notice those dew points are already pushing into the lower 70s along the coast. We're clearly dealing with a very humid, warm air mass in place. And unfortunately, what you see today is pretty much what you can expect over the next 7 days. So, as a result, look for temperatures this afternoon to rebound into the lower to mid 80s over Long Island, mid to upper 80s along the coast and in the New York City metropolitan area, and upper 80s, possibly even a few lower 90s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. And with the humidity, temperatures are going to feel like the mid 90s over many locations. And of course, with all this humidity, we're going to see a threat for thunderstorms this afternoon. And a few of them could be severe. Here is the latest surface map, and here's our low pressure system, rather strong for this time of year, that produced widespread showers and thunderstorms over the region yesterday. Very heavy rainfall over northeastern Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey as well. That low pressure system will lift north, but a new disturbance and low pressure system is starting to develop over the Great Lakes and will move this way towards the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, producing the threat for showers and thunderstorms. Notice there is no lack of humidity at all throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic. I also want to show the 500 millibar pattern. Why? Notice when we take a look at the 500 millibar pattern, you see this blue area? This is a jet streak of around anywhere from 40 to 60 knot winds. And this is really important to keep an eye on because this stronger wind at 500 millibars can help to enhance thunderstorms. It's called a jet streak. And when you have this jet streak, you end up with divergence in the upper levels, which increases lifting. And when you increase lifting in a very humid atmosphere, you end up with stronger thunderstorms capable of very heavy downpours, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, should I say, small hail, and even an isolated tornado. So we're going to keep an eye on this jet streak and the associated disturbance with it, which we can barely see right here. That could cause us some problems for this afternoon. When we take a look at the radar, you can already see a few scattered showers popping up in Connecticut, western Connecticut, clipping through northeastern New Jersey. These showers will remain weak this morning, but you can see the threat here in this tropical environment where showers and thunderstorms will be able to pop up at almost any time and capable of producing heavy downpours. This disturbance here is what I'm going to keep an eye on for this afternoon and evening, as it will be capable of potentially producing more showers and thunderstorms, potentially severe, over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Here's the latest infrared satellite picture. Now, there's a bit of an error from the National Weather Service. These should all be low pressure systems here, not high pressure systems. But you can see the point here is that you basically have this wavering boundary between the tropical air that's over the region and the somewhat modified polar air over New England, and waves of low pressure clipping to the north, producing the potential for showers and thunderstorms each day. So unfortunately, we're going to continue to dodge these showers and thunderstorms today, tonight, all the way on through the weekend and into next week. And one of the disturbances I'm keeping an eye on is right here. It's associated with that jet streak. We're going to see exactly how much lifting is produced from this disturbance as it's moving through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for this afternoon. As far as the forecast is concerned, this is the latest European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. Again, this evening, we have that trough lingering over the Great Lakes. We are in between the trough and the building Western Atlantic Ridge. And pretty much as you can see, over the next 10 days, the pattern really doesn't change. It's a carbon copy every day of the same type of weather pattern. So what can we expect as a result? Well, each day, look for temperatures in the mid 80s along the immediate coast, upper 80s to lower 90s away from the coast, high levels of humidity, threat of showers and thunderstorms every afternoon and evening, and low level fog in the morning hours. So pretty much what you get today is what you're going to get the next 7 to 10 days. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, struggling with allergies. Once again, I apologize. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day and stay safe out there.